Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Today, we're going to be talking about how to deal with information overload when it comes to the law of assumption. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. You also wouldn't want to miss out on one-on-one coaching with me where I bring you to your desired reality step by step. What I can say for a fact is that my emails are laced with literal magic. If you would like to be spoiled, if you would like the attention to be all on you, if you would like to be led to your desired reality as quickly as possible with me in the ringer with you, sign up today at ritakaminsky.com or click the very first link in the description box down below. I know you want to. I've also recently released my first line called It's Already Done by Rita Kaminsky. Be advised that this is not normal merch. The thing about these shirts, hoodies, cases, mugs, totes, and notebooks is that they literally have It's Already Done on them. So every single time you look at your phone case or your bag, or when you're having coffee in the morning and scripting, you are reminded that every single thing you are manifesting is already done now. Like, I was having coffee in the morning and I was looking at my mug and I'm like, oh my God, this is just a constant reminder that I am in the state of already having 1 million subscribers. I know you're itching to cop this merch, so the link will be in the description box down below. Sometimes we're watching content and we are bombarded with all of these different types of techniques. In my recent Not Technique video, some people were questioning not only the validity of the technique, but the fact that it contradicts with affirming and other techniques where you are getting into the state of already having, not having. The concrete law of assumption is it is whatever you think it is. What you dominantly think of is your reality. It's as simple as that. But the way in which you get into a new state of being, it's not like maths. It's not like 1 + 1 = 2. It's not like you just can affirm and that is the only way of getting into the state. Just like it's not like you just do visualization or any other technique. That's why there are so many techniques on TikTok and YouTube and everywhere else. Every single thing works. The most important thing is getting into the state. If you are feeling bombarded about different techniques, if you do one technique and it burns you out, that means in this moment in time, in your chapter, that technique is not for you. Does that mean that that technique is completely void, completely not valid? No, because it works for millions of other people. Just like affirming works for so many, but so many come to me and say, Rita, I'm so burnt out after affirming all day. Just like in some chapters of my life, I don't like to affirm and I just like following the flow and I get everything that I want quickly and easily. And other times I'm affirming 24/7 because that is what makes me happy. The main rule to go by always when it comes to law of assumption is doing what makes you happy. That is going to get you 10 times quicker to your manifestation. So if affirming does not make you happy, do not affirm. If SATS does not make you happy, or you feel drained from it, or you're questioning your self-worth, or you're feeling like you're in lack, stop doing it. I get into routines where it might be applicable for today and tomorrow and the next day, but in a week, I'm a complete different person and I choose not to resonate with doing visualizations, for example. It might have served me at that point, but right now, what's serving me is SATS or affirming. Yesterday, I got to a point where I was creating a new manifestation routine for myself. So I wanted to remind myself that it's already done in the morning, get into the state of my top 3 manifestations, then robotically affirm throughout the day, then do SATS and just follow my happiness moment to moment. And even just writing that down, I felt a little bit overwhelmed. I started overthinking my manifestation routine. The thing is, manifestation is very easy. Law of assumption is the easiest thing that you could possibly think of, because think about it. Gravity is just gravity. You know that if you fall off a cliff, you are going to be falling down, right? But why are we so confused about the law of assumption? The law states that it is whatever you think it is. So if I think that the sky is green, bitch, the sky is green. If I think that the law of gravity is that I can fly, then you're goddamn right, I can motherfucking fly. If I get into the state where I am a millionaire and I get millions of dollars every single day, you're goddamn right, that's exactly what it's gonna be. Our problem is that we are wavering, we're going back and forth to states of lack, right? If you find yourself doing this, if you find yourself overwhelmed with an abundance of techniques, drop all of it, take a shower, have a tea, go to sleep, and start fresh the next day. If it's really bad, give yourself a day or a couple of days to just stop manifesting. Only take this information if it resonates for you. Taking away every single thing that you have learned, including anything from my videos. What feels good for you to do right now? What techniques feel good to you now? Doesn't matter what felt good to you 5 days ago. Now, right now, right now. So what ended up happening towards the end of the day was I said, fuck it. And this is exactly what I wrote in my notes. Follow your happiness, go with the flow, and make the most of each moment. As soon as I feel like I'm not overwhelmed again with these techniques, you know damn right, I'm going back into it. And it's gonna give me 10 times more results because I'm coming from it from a clean slate, from a clean energy, from a higher, better mood. As soon as I feel like I'm ready to start manifesting, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna ask myself, what feels good for me to do right now? I'm still using SATs and I'm still listening to subliminals, and they are working wonders. If I feel like, hey, I'm gonna keep going with robotic affirming, I'm gonna keep on going into the state in the morning, I'm gonna start meditating, whatever it is, that is the perfect technique for me. Please don't be in this desperate energy where you are trying to catch them all. Techniques are not Pokemon, bitch. You are blessed with all of this information, and I understand that it can be a little bit of information overload for your mind, but take it as a blessing. You have all this information. You get to pick and choose what you resonate with. You do not need to resonate with every single technique. But know that just because you don't resonate with it doesn't mean that it doesn't work for other people. The only constant is being in the state. Are you in the state of being with this person, or are you not? That's it. So with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.